All clear. Dispatch, enjoy your ride. And a good day from Theme Park Tempo here today at Universal Studios Orlando Resort. I'm gonna be hitting up both theme parks today. It's been about 2 months since I've been here, so I'm gonna just get back on some of my favorites. Definitely a ride on Velocicoaster and Hagrid's and the usual classics here at Universal. Come let's have some fun, guys. 3 Horror Nights. So just kind of gravitated over towards Islands of Adventure, so we're gonna be hitting up that way first. Rather empty here in the City Walk. Let's hopefully the theme parks are the same. Stepped into Islands of Adventure. It is empty here today. Hopefully the Lions will respond, but yeah, no line of guest services. It is very nice. Good day to enjoy the parks. Wonderful view of Velocicoaster walking in. Making a right and heading towards Hagrid's. Alright guys, time for a ride on good old Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure, the Intamin Classic Family Coaster here. Oh, almost got knocked into people here. It's gonna have some fun. Woo-hoo. Unfortunately, Hagrid's is down for a weather delay right now. There's not raining, but there is lightning within 5 miles of the attraction, so I actually hit the Poseidon's Fury. Haven't done that in quite some time. I've actually since I moved down to Florida. It really is a spectacular entrance facade to this walkthrough attraction. It was down for quite some time. Recently just opened up. Really excited to give it a walkthrough. I'm not sure if they actually added anything to it, but we'll see. Come with us, guys. I have a feeling this is going to be most of my video here. Honestly, I forget what it looks like in here. It's been so long.
Professor. That's Professor Elias Baxter. He's in charge of operations, tours here at Global Discovery Group. He's not here right now, but hopefully he'll be here shortly. Dark One. This Blade Night resulted in Lord Darkanon giving great powers. Another challenge, Poseidon. Huge battle. No one's surprised. Professor's work lights should be a little bit brighter. Just gotta wind the switch and we should be good to. Hey, a secret message. Professor was talking about. Behind this wall, a demon sleeps. Ancient evil held in key. Besides power can. Professor! We're gonna die. We're not gonna die. It was stay calm. No one's kidding. Things can get worse. They're worse. Professor Baxter!
search for your master.
Professor, yes, he's missing. I'll follow you. However, this is a chamber that we've never been before, so please, very cautious way going inside. I'm actually gonna slip by. Wow. Now I just want to let you know, Professor Baxter, he's telling us that if we ever found a new chamber, he does have a rule. That rule is, what was it? Oh, don't touch anything. That's a good rule. So yeah, everyone, if you're coming in, just make sure you go all the way to your right, all the way down to the end. We want to make sure we get everyone inside so they can see what you're seeing, because we found a new chamber! Woo! I know, I'm very excited too, definitely. Very excited.
Now you'll never leave. Unless you find Poseidon's trident.
Trident. Actually, these people are on tour. They know about Trident, Poseidon.
Poseidon! My mortal enemy. He sleeps in this tomb, hidden from my eyes. But soon I shall find him. Thanks to you.
Me? What did I do? I didn't do anything.
You spoke the spell aloud.
Did not.
You freed me from Poseidon's spell and from this ancient chamber of death. Now, either find the trident or die.
Goddess, guardian of the temple.
Me? Taylor? Global Discovery Group?
You hold Poseidon's trident in your hand. What is your request of me?
This whole thing is Poseidon's Trident.
What is your wish? I shall not ask again.
Yes, sorry, I'd like to get out of here. I'd like to go home.
Alas, it is beyond my power to grant you passage back to your world.
You said make a wish.
The Dark One has sealed the doors to this chamber with a locking spell impervious to magic. The way home is now impossible.
But that means all is lost.
All is not lost. While I cannot help you back to the surface, I can provide you with safe passage deeper into this temple.
Deeper? No. He said we're gonna die here. We need to get out. Everyone, gonna use this. Get doors open. Should be no problem. Just gonna... This sounds like the ocean.
Quickly, we have precious little time. The era of the Trident Gold. Prepare to journey into the heart of this temple, into the chamber of Poseidon. Are you brave enough to make the passage under?
Yes. Are we ready?
Poseidon. Lord of the seas, I ask for your care. Safe passage grant for those who dare. Open up your oceans. Swing wide the door. Let the waters rush and the oceans roar.
Oh, it's moving.
For now is the time, with fortune unplanned. Your trident comes home. Return to your hand.
Whoa. Hey, look. It's a secret pathway.
More quickly, I cannot maintain its path alone.
Through the ocean. Just opened up the ocean, which was pretty cool, right? I saw it, you're just like, oh, I know, I was stunned too. You're still stunned, you don't even know what to say.
You have brought back something very dear to me.
This is, your trident, Poseidon.
Follow my voice and bring that to me. Fear not, for I am Poseidon. At last, I have waited centuries for this moment. Now I will destroy you, them, and your precious trident. Once and for all. They are under my protection. I am Drakanon, and the power is mine.
Poseidon Get us out of here!
Surrender! Give me that trident! Give it to me now!
I'd rather die!
Die!
Have you never seen them?
Trident is mine.
I don't think so!
No! Stop!
What?
Give me that trident!
Get it from him!
No!
Yeah!
I have returned, Darkanon! Now you will pay for your murderous ways! Poseidon! I will destroy you! I will destroy all! Beginning with your precious mortals! Impossible! No, Darkanon! This is your fate! Surrender! Darkanon! This battle began 1,000 years ago! We will end it here! Once and for all! So be it! No, we cannot end like this. I must! And the only way it goes! Farewell, Dark One! It is done! Let's go, quickly! I grant a safe return to your world. Farewell! You are under the protection of Lord Poseidon. Now go!
Awesome job! Close one! Guess what? I found the person she wants to tell us something.
Where's this guy?
Go ahead, son.
That was cool. Great time here, walking through Poseidon's Fury. Really do miss that attraction. I do love it. I love that 1999 CGI they got rocking there, but it's still a good time. So we had the All Hallows Eve boutique out. It's really cool in here, very nifty. R&H just around the corner. I'll bring you a video of that for sure. I'm really excited for the mazes this year, but it's traditional Halloween decorations. I'm pretty sure I had, my mom had one of those as a kid, when I was a kid. Mom, if you're watching, comment in the comments below if you can figure out how to comment. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we had one of those as a kid. Oh, that's a really cool backpack. Yeah, they got a lot of cool stuff back here. That pumpkin I definitely had as a kid. And that one on the wall too. You're just hitting my childhood nostalgia of Halloween. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. On the coasters I want to play, go away today. One way to beat the rain delay, also the heat, but also especially the rain delay, is to come in here to Hogshead and get yourself a cool, refreshing adult beverage. We also do have non-alcoholic butterbeer here as well. So kind of a fun update on the video today. We're going to be heading towards the experimental prototype community of tomorrow because it's raining and there's something to do here. Well, it is still raining here, although we are at EPCOT and there's a lot more indoor options available here as opposed to Universal. Yeah, I never thought I'd do a joint Universal Disney video, but hey, here it is. EPCOT, the experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Update, still raining like heck, but we are inside of EPCOT. Spaceship Earth looks like to be a minimal wait, actually walk on. Been a while since I did Spaceship Earth, not sure what's entailed for today, but can I take you along this 2-hour journey at EPCOT? It's about 6:30. EPCOT closes at 9 with fireworks at 9 as well. I do love this shot of Spaceship Earth. Gonna go to Food and Wine and see what's good over there. Man, it's still raining. So first stop in Food and Wine, this is Mimosa flight. I'm not sure what I got into. My friend just got it, and
tropical mimosa? Yes.
That's what I'm getting. Yeah, it looks wonderful. Update, still raining in England now with some nice English wine. Actually, no, I got that over in Canada. I'm lying to you. Great for Lyndon Young. It wasn't cooked perfectly, so I didn't show you guys. Unfortunately, it was more medium well, which I don't know why I cooked it that way. Your room to play. Anyway, guys, in England now, not sure what rides we're getting on. Definitely gonna stay for Harmonious though, which should be fun and exciting. Gonna give it a second chance. When I liked it, I'm sorry, when I saw it the first time I didn't like it too much, so hopefully when I see it the second time, maybe I'll be more open to change here at EPCOT. Update, no longer raining, but not going on many rides now. Just gonna wait it out, have a few rounds of drinks and a few food samplings from Food and Wine here, and gonna watch the fireworks. At French now, getting a strawberry mimosa, looks delicious. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce his name, but he's earning his ears, pouring it out. Alright guys, here over at America, Middle World Showcase, and the Eat It and Beat It Pavilion. They got a party scene, we got a band going on, playing some old tunes, singing too. Rock and roll on here guys. Well, it's still about 9 o'clock. Come on, it's still fun times. We're all having a great time here. Spaceship Earth lit up in all of her glory. Looking beautiful as ever. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Almost time for Harmonious. Never really seen Italy at night. Looks wonderful. Love the magnificent architecture. Sculptures all around. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Found my way to Germany. Got myself a beer flight. Let's see how it is. Got the board prepped for the beer flight.
Oh, yeah.
This is what we got.
To depart. Are these two the same one?
All clear. Giving ground clearance for the flight to depart.
Alright.
Bada boom, bada bing. They all look the same, but hopefully they taste differently.
They do taste very different. I'm just letting you know.
Excellent. Alright guys, find our way to Mexico now. Yeah, we super bunch of countries. Sorry. Was enjoying Food and Wine with the friends and forgot to put my video camera on. But yes, here we go guys, going into Mexico. Unfortunately, it's gonna be a wrap today. Not going to Harmonious. Calling it a wrap. It's just way too crowded towards the waterways. Hit a good spot for Harmonious. I've been wrapping up, headed on the path. I'm right next to Test Track. And here we go guys. It's been a wonderful time here at EPCOT.
Tell me why.
There we are guys. Wonderful glimpse of Guardians of the Galaxy lit up at night in all of its glory. Looks wonderful. Looks beautiful. Gonna be ending the night here at the Connections Eatery Cafe. Getting myself an Angry Orchard to close off on the festivities. Like I said, I was gonna see Harmonious, but decided against it because our seating wasn't the best available for the whole show. Next time maybe perhaps, but either way guys, it was a crazy day. Islands of Adventure at EPCOT, randomly out of nowhere. But yes, thanks for coming with the guys. If you guys like this video, please, please, please do me a favor. Like and subscribe down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Meet you at the Midway.